All right. Well, just left Four Pines. Shout out Care Bear and Tiffany, I think it was. They were the people running the shuttles, and they were very handy. I really appreciate them. I don't really like filming at the hostels too much, just because, you know, people are like, you know, staying there and like living there for the time being. So I like giving people their space, and, you know, don't really like filming the properties and stuff out of respect. But had a great time. They helped me get breakfast before, so had like a breakfast pizza and 2 breakfast sandwiches, so I'm pretty stuffed and ready to go start my hike today. We're gonna be going to McAfee Knob, which is gonna be awesome. Hopefully I can get my picture taken there. And yeah, let's get it done. So this wasn't really planned, but chances are I may be going back into town again, into Daleville, which is about 20 miles away still. But there's not like a shelter, and that's what my plans were to stay in a shelter so I could get an early start tomorrow. But there's not really a shelter in a good spot where I could cover some good miles today. So I may end up having to stay in a hotel in Daleville that's close to AT, and then just getting up early and dipping out, which I'm fine with. Shout out these guys right here. The dog had the ski goggles on. That was so cool. They handed me a sticker and said if I need help in the whites, that they'll help, and reach out on Instagram. So it's so cool. Their dog, as you saw on the sticker, their dog was with them and he had his ski goggles on. It was just so amazing. To McAfee Knob. Let's do it. I'm gonna get that picture with my camera. Whoa, this is crazy.
You have to get closer to the edge.
Oh, that's a long way down. Alright, we're coming back. Holy shit. Oh, made it. McAfee Knob. Right here. Still got a distance to go today, so I think I'm gonna keep going. But yeah, cool spot. Oh man, yeah, this is well worth the climb. Wow. Wow.
That's awesome.
That's crazy.
Yeah. You can see so far.
Definitely worth 700 miles.
Oh, dang.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Sorry about that.
You're fine.
Thank you. Alright, so the goal for today is to hike to Daleville and stay in the Super 8. Just because there weren't any shelters that were at like good distances. So we're at like mile 10 right now. That's 16 more miles. Hopefully I can get there at a good time. But we'll see. It's crazy because I think all the day hikers use the other side of this that I just went up from the parking lot to go up to McAfee Knob, because this side is just completely silent. And it is a huge change from a large amount of day hikers that I was stuck in between on the other side. And now it's just like, oh, peace and quiet, birds. It's so nice. Crazy views right now. That's so cool. I almost got the Virginia Blues, but almost got them. But today shoot them away. Because it's so nice out. What a good day. Wow. I don't know what body of water that is, but it's a pretty big one. So nice outside today. Let's keep going. AT. Up there? Alright. I'll switch around. How's it going, guys? Wow. Have a good rest of your hike. So this is Tinker's Cliffs. It's real windy, but wow. Whoa. My hat almost got taken off. Tinker's Cliffs. Good stuff. Alright, now I think we got most of the incline out of the way for today. So now it's just to descend into Daleville. Woo! Wow. Crazy nice. I don't know where Daleville's at, but maybe down there. It's only like 9 miles away though. So we're making good progress. That's a big rock right there. They're big rocks. Whoa. That's crazy. About like 4 miles away from Daleville. Woo! That's crazy nice. Absolutely insane. So nice. That's crazy. Got some power lines here too. I gotta keep going.